Yeah, so I think that learning about what's actually happening behind the brain processes is super valuable and probably one of the most valuable parts of these tools. Because, as we said earlier with the bubble, like understanding that you're activating your prefrontal cortex and your occipital lobe, it makes it more real. Like, there's so many tools that you could have or try to implement, but not fully understand what it's actually doing. And then it's hard to feel like you're actually doing anything. So, as a kid, even though I might not have been the most, like, science-oriented person, which I think I became more interested in science through the initial introduction to it through these tools. I do think that understanding the processes behind things makes you feel more confident in their implementation and their purpose. I will add that in my sophomore year, I took a neuroscience class and we learned about myelin, and I was like, "I already know that because I learned that from my mom." And I think that it's so valuable to learn these things when you're younger because your brain is a lot more malleable. So learning about your brain as your brain's developing, it's an extremely valuable skill.
So do you feel like learning about your brain is empowering to you? Like, what kind of effect does it have when you understand how your brain works?
I think it's extremely empowering because when you understand, like, basically every human process that we engage in is monitored and starts in the brain. So it's our most powerful organ and it really dictates everything that the rest of your body does. So being able to understand how your brain works and the the potential that it has that you can unlock by understanding like those processes at a very fundamental level, I think it's extremely empowering.